Today I made a marble run. Okay, so you see this is the slide. So I'm gonna put the slide right here. Right here. See? This is a cardboard slide. I was playing bat and ball. I was playing baseball. Okay? Let's put this. See this pot? The ball will just bounce. It's a spiky ball. See? It doesn't feel spiky. It looks spiky. 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa! That was amazing. Let's get the ball. Now I got the ball. Let's do another one. Okay, let me put the slide. What about we try it with no slide? All right, go. Yeah, good. We did it good. Let's get it. Let's put the slide right here and the things right there. Let's see if it goes on here. Yes! It went on the bathtub. Let's get it. Step. Okay. Step. 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 Let's get up a green apple. Step. 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 Okay. Now let's try. Let's hold this. Okay. Let's go. Boing. Boing. Oh wow! It did everything. Good job. Let's get bye.